Hello students, in last lecture I have explained lens formula, sign convention, power of a lens, magnification. So today I am going to explain some numericals, how to solve numericals based on lens formula, magnification and power of a lens. So practice with me and some homework, some numericals from exercise you can solve. So some numericals like see See, a numerical is an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a concave lens. Before starting numericals, I am writing this formulae which you can use. One formula, that is lens formula, that is 1 by V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. This is your lens formula. Here one thing is, from numerical point of view, if you are going to put any one values like U, V, F numerically, then only you have to put along with sign. Never put sign of that quantity which you are going to find. Okay, so keep in mind, otherwise you will not get answer. So 1 by V is equal to, V is the distance of an image from an optical center. What is U? U is the distance of an object from an optical center. What is F? Focal length, means distance of second focus from an optical center. Right? Now magnification, M is equal to V by U is equal to I by O. Magnification. Power 1 by F, focal length. These all are formula that you have to use. Now I am going to solve some numericals. For example, one numerical is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a concave lens. In front of a concave lens. Concave lens means its focal length. Here concave lens is there. Concave lens means it's a focal length. Focal length will be negative. Focal length will be negative. And your object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of concave lens. 10 centimeter in front. So if your object is in front of a lens, then its value will be negative. So U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Right? And some other values of focal length 10 centimeter. See, here focal length given means F. I have already told you, concave lens means focal length negative, means focal length is 10 centimeter, then you have to put as negative, since it is a concave lens, and you know well that for concave lens focal length is negative. So it is given that an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of a concave lens of a focal length 10 centimeter. Now you have to find the position of image. Position of image. You have to find the position of image. Position of image. Now see, you have a lens formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by F, F is minus 10 centimeter. 1 by V you have to find, minus 1 upon U is minus 10 centimeter. So 1 by V plus 1 by 10, here minus 1 by 10, it implies that 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10, means here 10 minus 1 minus 2 by 10, so here minus 1 by 5, so V is equal to minus 5 centimeter. See, the value of V is minus 5 centimeter. It means what? The value of V is minus centimeter means the image is also in front of concave lens, means that is image is a virtual image. Now its second part, What is second part? Just see. Size of image in relation to the object. Size of image in relation to the object means it will be smaller or large. See, it means magnification. Now magnification is equal to V by U. This is equal to I by U. It implies that what is value of V? V is now minus 5. What is U? Minus 10. This is I by U. So it implies that I by O is equal to 1 by 2. This is M. So your image will be half of an object. This is your answer of this question. Now next question. Now next numerical is the focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. Focal length of a convex lens given. So given some numeric. Given that focal length of convex lens is how much? It is 25 centimeter. See, focal length of a convex lens given. It means for convex lens focal length is always positive. Therefore, I am taking plus 25. Okay. Next what? At what distance from the optical center of a lens an object be placed? At what distance from the optical center of the lens an object be placed to obtain a virtual image? Means what is value of U? At what distance your object should be placed so that to obtain a virtual image of twice the size. Virtual image. See, it is given that your image is virtual. Virtual image. That means that is M is equal to positive value. Virtual image means M is equal to positive. And what other information is? Virtual image of twice the size. Twice the size means image is twice that of object. Twice the size means 2. That is plus 2. Right. So now see how you find. Since we know that M is given, since we know that M is equal to V by U, that is equal to 2. It implies that V is equal to 2U, equation 1. And also we know that 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This implies that 1 upon 25 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Here value of V is 2U minus 1 upon U. This implies that U here 2 LCM is 2U. 2U and U, LCM is 2U. So what will be? 2U divided by 2U, 1. So 1 here, 1 minus U divided by 2, 2. This implies minus 1 upon 2U. It implies that 1 upon 25 is equal to minus 1 upon 2U. So 2U is equal to minus 25. U is equal to minus 25 by 2. This is minus 12.5 centimeter. Is it clear? So U is negative means the object should be placed in front of lens, and at how much distance? At the distance of 12.5 centimeter in front of lens. Some other numerical like now other numerical is a lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance of 45 centimeter in front on it on a screen placed at a distance 90 centimeter on other side of it. Okay, a lens means the lens, which lens it is not given, convex or concave, doesn't matter. A lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance of 45 centimeter from it. Means suppose there is a lens here somewhere. Okay. Your object is here somewhere at 45 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 45 centimeter. Okay. Now from it on a screen placed at a distance 90 centimeter on other side of it. Okay, its image is here somewhere at 90 centimeter from here. Means your V is 90 centimeter. Okay, and it will be positive. Right. So name the kind of lens, find focal length of lens and magnification of image. Okay. Now see, by the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V is your 90, 1 by U plus 45, 1 by F. 1 by 90 plus U is minus 45. So plus 1 by 45, 1 by F, here 90. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by F. So 3 by 90 is equal to 1 by F. F is equal to 90 upon 3. We are getting 30. Okay. Since here focal length is what? Positive. That's why what should be your lens? Obviously your lens is a convex lens. And what is the magnitude of focal length? It is 30 centimeter. Obviously 30 centimeter. Now its magnification. Quite simple. Magnification M is equal to what? V by U. This implies what is value of V? 90. What is value of U? U is minus 45. So minus 2. See, your magnification is minus 2. Minus sign is that your image is inverted. Means the image is real one and it will be enlarged or magnified. Okay, so what is your answer? First answer is your name the kind of lens, that is convex lens. Focal length of lens, that is 30 centimeter. And what is magnification of image? That is minus 2. I hope so that it is quite clear. Now one more numerical at least. One more numerical. A lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance 15 centimeter from it, at a distance 60 centimeter in front of it. Okay, means U is 15 centimeter in front of lens, and what is V? At a distance 60 centimeter in front. In front means negative. Whenever you are given that your image is in front or object is in front of the lens, that means that value will be negative. Okay. So the question is that a lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance 15 centimeter from it, at a distance 60 centimeter. Image distance is given. Front of it. Find the focal length, the magnification, nature of image. Focal length. Now by lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. See, 1 by V minus 60 minus 1 by U is minus 50, 1 by F. So 1 by 60 minus plus 1 by 15, 1 by F. What is this? 60 minus 1 plus 4, 1 by F. So 1 by F is equal to 3 by 60. that is 1 by 20. So f is equal to 20 centimeter. What is value of focal length? Focal length is 20 centimeter. Okay, focal length is your 20 centimeter, and its sign is positive. That's why what is type of lens? That is convex lens, since focal length is positive. Now magnification. M is, as you know, V by U. What is V? Minus 60. What is U? Minus 15. So plus 4 is magnification. What is nature of image? Image is your virtual. If M is positive, means what is image nature? Nature of image is virtual and erect and magnified. So nature of image is erect, virtual and magnified. Similarly, so many other questions you can solve. At least one or two questions I am solving from power of lens. Okay. One question. The power of a lens is plus 2.0 diopter. Power is plus 2.0 diopter. So what is question? Question is that find its focal length, state the kind of lens. Find its focal length. As you know, power is equal to 1 by f. It implies that f is equal to 1 by power 1 by 2. This implies 100 upon 2. This is in meter. So multiplying by 100, what you get? 50 centimeter. This is positive value. Therefore, its answer will be kind of lens. It's a convex lens. And how much focal length? 50. Why convex? Since its focal length is positive. Right? Very simple question it is. Now one more numerical, like, see, a concave lens forms an erect image of 1/3 size of an object. Erect image means virtual always. Erect means virtual, means positive sign of magnification. 1/3 means this, 1/3 size of an object. Okay, which is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the lens. Means U is what? Minus 30 centimeter. U is your minus 30 centimeter. So what have to find? Position of image. What is position of image? Just see. Now position of image, as you know, M is equal to V by U. Value of M is given 1 by 3. V is not known. U is minus 30. So what is V? Minus 30 by 3. It is minus 3. Minus 10 centimeter. So what is position of your image? Your image is in front of lens and at 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter in front of lens. Focal length of the lens. Next question is that what is focal length? So by lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U, 1 by F. Putting the value, 1 by V is minus 10. Minus 1 by U is minus 30, 1 by F. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30, 1 by F. Here 30 is your LCM, minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 by F. That's why solving it, what you get? Minus 2 by 30 is equal to 1 by F. So minus 1 by 15 is 1 by F. So F is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Since focal length is negative, therefore, since its focal length is negative, therefore, what types of lens it is? It is a concave lens. Okay, its focal length will be minus 15 centimeter. In this way, you can solve some other numericals. Most of the numericals I have explained here. So complete all others and try to revise it again and again. Thank you so much.